people na do. Now we don't call my channel before. Welcome back. If today na the first time we dey reach my channel, say na today be the first time we dey use your two koro eye see me and I be this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Summer. Before I continue, make I remind you now. You see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that one, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I don't upload new video. Now so una do well. So for today's video, my people, I don't fair do this video for my other channel where I the blow grammar. I see make I come here, make I come follow drop her for this side for na Muna watch, Muna hear, Muna see wetin dey happen to our people waiting for China. So this video, when I fed one for the other channel, I talk say this one no be come matter where some people go say, you know, say for YouTube, some people go say they don't want to discuss anything we be saying where they go call a controversy, anything we be saying they want make their channel just be they call a peaceful channel. They know they won't pull hand for this one or pull mouth for that one. They just one day like shine baby. Their channel go just clean, no wahala, no nothing. Now so this kind matter no be waiting that they do that one for. This matter reach we be say anybody will be blackie, will be Naija person, will be person from Africa supposed to pull mouth for this matter because this matter no be waiting that they keep quiet about at all. No be waiting that they keep quiet about. Waiting be this matter. For Facebook, I can't see post this one see what they do our people for yonder. See what they do our people for yonder. Now I can call YouTube. I can see some people don't already make posts about the matter for YouTube. You get one girl, na Naija girl, but like in America they born her. They call her Lovely T. One other guy from Ghana, he don't do video today. They call her one day Maya. He don't do video. That boy be the leave for China before. He do video for this matter. He can't even they tell all of us. We say we they do YouTube. Say make all of us pull out. I mean, this kind of they like to pull out because this kind of thing, the kind of thing we say everybody supposed to pull out. Even though the solution no dey our hand say now we be government or now we go there go do anything, but when we dey share now up and down, they broadcast the news. Now so the matter go dey hot, they go dey hear say everybody go dey hear say see what they happen to our people for yonder. So even though no we get the solution, but the fact say we dey share, we dey help to broadcast the news so that everybody go hear. You understand? What you go maybe with pull out now say if you say no concern me, I know they go China, you know concern me. Your children tomorrow fit decide say they won't go they live for China. You dey hear? Some people say everything they want go for China. May I tell you, if Chinese people fit come our country, see they fit come for Africa, we too supposed to get right to enter their own country. Shey they understand me? When I see some of this video, the way they do our people for their place, the way they do our people for yonder, my people, they throw away some people from their house where they pay rent for because they be black people.
The landlord will just come to your door and knock and tell you he's coming up in 10 minutes, that he's giving you an hour to pack out.
These notices in Chinese, which translate to this community is not accepting foreigners, especially black people. If you've rented a house to a black person, quickly get in touch and let them leave, have been the source of all evictions.
For ordinary boss, where person they enter, where person pay money to enter bus. They don't even let our people enter bus.
This guy called the police to come and arrest me because I've taken the bus. This guy, he called the police. Yeah, he called the police that I have taken the bus. Right. So now he's telling me that we should go. I don't know what the problem is. I took a bus and they called the police for me because I'm a foreigner. I'm a black man. You see how it's so painful when somebody races against you for what you haven't done, you know. You haven't done anything.
Restaurant to go eat. Even restaurant to go eat. Mona disi.
我要买东西啊 外国人不买
Even McDonald, they no still let black person enter.
You see, it's a McDonald's. They don't even allow foreigners not to eat in a McDonald's now in China. You know. Like why can I see? It's like you see how many empty spaces? They don't even want to let foreigners now to sit in McDonald's and eat.
What about hospital? Mona look this one.
You go. Yeah, measure. Fine. You go.
Say no. They got a bodyguard.
She's pregnant. You don't attend to foreigners. Where we come from is how you have to treat us.
Shop where person want enter go spend your own money. They no let her enter because in color na black.
Hey. Probably me. I cannot enter.
Oi. Yo. Huh?
We're supposed to talk about this matter. We're supposed to make our heart, make the whole world hear our voice. For this 2020, no be saying 1920, olden days. For this 2020, now this cat they happen. No, say the other time I don't do video before for my other channel where I blow grammar. I do video we say Naija person go Chinese restaurant wait there for Lagos. They say they know they let black person come chop inside the restaurant. That one don't happen before. It don't even happen for Kenya. It could still happen again this year again. It happened for our own country.
My friends and I have been asked to leave this Chinese establishment, a restaurant too, simply because we are black in Nigeria. That's all I have to say.
So now they say our own country. We go their country. They go do us as they like. They go come our own country, our own continent. They go come they still treat us as they like. For our own country, our own continent. No, if you talk like you, if you see some video where I see, you go see some Chinese people say come they help our people. And Google will still talk through sometimes. But the thing I say, if the government of the country no do anything, the government where they in charge no do anything about this matter, they don't even protect our even sometimes not even their own police, not even when they do our people like this. When the government no agree protect our people, then we feel come out and say, see as Chinese people they do us. Imagine this kind of thing. Imagine this kind of thing. You throw away them from their own house. You don't let them stay inside hotel. You don't let them come buy food for restaurant. You don't let them go hospital. You really won't finish the people now. You really won't finish them.
It will be the fourth day today that foreigners, especially blacks, are denied access to services in the city. Huddled on cobbled streets with layers of clothing to generate heat under the cold skies of Wanzhou city, this is the new way of life for Africans living in China.
Nigerians in China are suffering. They are suffering well. Nigerians in China. Child. It's a pity. Nigeria in China is suffering. It's a pity. Oh my God. Look at the citizens of Nigeria are suffering in China. Ordinary China here. They are wicked in us here in China. No house. You can't enter your room, you can't enter your house, you can't enter anywhere in China. Men are streets, people are outside. Too much cold, too much problem. What a country is this? Which kind of country is this, man? Oh my God.
They keep pursuing us. They keep pursuing us. They are chasing us again. They are chasing us again.
And my people, when I see this matter, I say no way when me I no go pull out. I may as make come do this video, make her pull out. I'm gonna share this video. Make post. If you don't feel share this video, make post. I'm gonna make post to share this video everywhere. Make them see, make them hear everything. Now one video where just they travel for social media, they say this guy now, one Nigerian man, they say a diplomat for China. The man come vex because they seize passport of some of our Nigerian people. And so the man vex say, now give me passport of my people. I go let you now look this video.
Oh, give me all the Nigerian passport.
Individual day here. Hey, so
how many? I have 3 here.
Yes, 3.
One. How many? In Nigeria, as I mentioned to you last time, we have a lot of Chinese there. I don't think you have ever received any information that the government of Nigeria go to their various houses and pick them and quarantine them. You can never receive such information. Why is Africa and indeed in Nigeria being targeted? We have European people here. We have people from America. We have people from other countries. No any country have the right to seize the international passport of another country. Wait! They are not in my eyes. I just withdraw it from there. They seize it. I said they seize it. And then you know, the deputy general, all the passports of Nigeria they seized. Ask him. He was released yesterday. Why are they seizing Nigerian passport? It does not belong to the China. But if you are picking only the Africans, Only the African. That's the highest humiliation.
I really praise that man. That man really try. He really try. Me, I follow share that video. I share that for here. I still share that for Facebook. Make the matter, make it the hot. You understand? Because if they don't talk, see now, you know, so you both station never really show this news. Oh, they never really show this news. We will be black. We could carry our matter. We could share and make the whole world know say something they happen for yonder. Even if we never get the whole information, we could share and make the go. Make we be say as we share and the news popular. They go to investigate where they find out what they happen. Another one, you know, go really say that our diplomat. We just share the video. Say, see, the man just they stand for our people. Say, give us our passport. And I say, give me my people passport. You understand? I follow share that video. The next another video come and say they can't harass the man. Oh.
You want, all of you want to kill me? Good.
Me, I follow share that one. You could make the share this kind of thing. I follow share that one. The next thing, Chinese ambassador for Nigeria. Now they invite our government, go invite us, and make us explain what they happen to our people. She they see why go with they make all this kind of matter the hot. The thing sweet my belly. When they cut and say, you know, see what they do to our people. I go let you now look this video.
How you treat our ambassador is very important. Very, very important. And I'm glad you did that. But how you treat our citizens is more important.
I know. Yes.
Even how you treat the ambassador.
Yes.
So, I mean, I just want to take you through, and I'm sure, you know, my colleagues will have some comments as well. You said you haven't seen any of the videos that are out there. I'm at liberty to show them to you. Everybody has a phone, if you want, if that will convince you, because you've said you haven't had an official complaint.
You must communicate to us as accredited consulate to you. Then if you communicate to us, we are going to be able to sit with you and then see the modality, how we are going to discuss it with our national.
You know what our government, including those of us here, the resistance we put up just to allow your medical personnel to come in a couple of days ago. Nigerians were worried for good reason, because we have this virus out there. And we're almost undiplomatic the way I'm talking, but it's because I am actually upset about what's going on. So I mean, I'm not sure how you want to address this. Have you spoken to your Nigerian counterpart in China? Have you spoken to the Nigerian ambassador in China?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Have you spoken
not
to
on this issue.
I'm talking about this issue. Have you spoken to any official Chinese of the Chinese government in China?
Definitely. We have to, like I promised the foreign minister, we take the very...
But you have not.
No, we have done it. But
you spoke to the Chinese government?
We're still waiting for because we are here. We don't get the picture, the whole picture. So, but we have to report the concern from Right Honorable Speaker and the Minister. We take it very seriously.
Yeah, whatever you have, please by Monday, because I'm aware that this is a weekend. But by Monday, so we have a couple of days.
Or Tuesday.
Please, or Tuesday, because Monday is a public holiday. Well, today is a public holiday, so we're working over public holiday. If you have information by Monday to give us, and steps that have been taken, so that this does not escalate to...
You know, switch your belly as you see. Mokuna they share this kind of video, make it hot. That's how they do. They go come with go they do. They say they test them. Shebi they say, you know this corona they talk to say to collect her now through your mouth, your nose, or your eyes. That's what they talk. Okay, nah. You know what they call they do? They call they do test. They go to test black person whether you sick or you no sick. They go test you. You dey hear? They quarantine people. We say they don't even sick. They just quarantine them. Nobody that will be the problem. They one of that video when one man share. He said they go come when they call your house. Like say you marry Chinese woman, they go come. They go only test the black person. They don't go test the wife. We be saying a Chinese. Which can test be that one? If you want test house, should you go test the husband, go test the wife. No, they go. They go come. They can't go test only the husband because only the husband be black person. That's what they do. Now so they do for them. And that's why I will talk for that video where I do. I say people need to really fear these people because when they don't get respect for our people at all, you need to fear them. When they go, they say, they say to collect this koro now through your mouth, your nose, or your eyes. Okay, if they don't go put the koro inside that thing where they know what you go say swab, if they don't go put her inside, can't they shook her for your throat? Say, but can't claim say they won't test you. You know, I'm not saying they do, but I talk say people will not get respect for us at all. You know, reach they do now. You know rich they do. You know, so people they say, make our people they come back. What did they do for there? If Chinese people stay our country, we supposed to get right to stay their country. Another thing, people they forget say, nah. Road don't close, no airport. No say nah, no plane they fly, nothing. When I no say for Nigeria don't ban flights from China to enter Nigeria. Many airport now say plane no they fly. So people wait there, they just they stuck. You know, go just carry your load, enter road, they go Nigeria. Now I make you go see some of our people they sleep for street. They sleep for street. What be their crime? But no forget say this corona before Africa start oh. Now for their side, now China this have thing start oh. But see now them can they do like say now we carry the corona come. See they see. My people I see this thing. I say make I talk about them because now so we they share information and now so we go still they help they share, they spread the news, make the whole world know say we no quiet put for this kind of thing. Because today another person, tomorrow it will be you. So now that one I say make I can share with you now today. My people as I don't talk rich like that, I go leave them for them. And I do what I say and I can watch my video. Until next time my people, bye bye you, bye bye.